Okay, so let's look at aware. Aware, basic, and beautiful. So aware, to know about something. Aware. So were you aware of the rule? I was not aware of the rule. I should be more aware of things now. Were you aware of this door? This secret door? Did you know about this secret door? She was not aware of it until until I told her. Makes sense. She was not aware until I told her. Now, basic, something simple, not complex. It is a basic requirement. Please follow me. That was a basic car, not very modern nor advanced. Okay? This is the basic cake. Yes, not too much sugar or decoration. Yeah, how cool is that? I am going to make a basic bike. I'm going to build a basic bike. Basic bike. It will have a frame, wheels, and brakes. Nice. Simple. Not too complicated. Simple. And beautiful. Pleasing to look at. Beautiful. Beautiful. Is it a beautiful new hat? Do you like it? Yes, 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 yeah. So, I have a beautiful car. Nice. Do you like my beautiful hat? Beautiful hat? Isn't it a beautiful day? No, it is not a beautiful day. No, it is not a beautiful day. It is cloudy. It's cloudy. Yeah, cloudy. Not a beautiful day. But we will have more beautiful days in the summer. So don't worry. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Aware, basic, beautiful. Yeah. Let's keep exploring.